In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to complete a project in Asana. Let's start by signing in. Open your browser and head to Asana's login page. On the sign-in screen, choose Continue with Google. Select the Google account you use for work and complete any prompts so Asana can log you in. In a moment, you'll land on your Asana home view. Next, open the project you want to finish. You can find it from your sidebar, your recent projects, or by using the search bar. Once the project loads, look toward the top of the page for the status area. Click Set Status to open the Project Status Update panel. This is where you'll summarize how the project finished and share a final note with your team. In the status panel, choose Complete. This marks the project as finished, so it's clear to everyone that the work has wrapped up. Don't worry, completing a project doesn't delete anything. All tasks, conversations, and files stay available, and you can reopen the project later if needed. After marking it complete, you'll be taken to a screen where you can craft a project update. This is the perfect moment to tell your stakeholders what was accomplished, highlight key outcomes, and note any follow-up items that will live elsewhere. Keep the summary short and clear. What was delivered, what changed, and what's next. If you have final assets like a report, a slide deck, or screenshots, attach them here so your team has everything in one place. You can also include links to source documents, a handoff doc, or any relevant dashboard. If your organization uses conventions for project summaries or tags, apply them now for consistency. When your update looks good, click Post. Asana will share the completion update to the project's progress area and notify followers so everyone stays in the loop. This creates a clean, visible finish line for the initiative and makes it easy to reference later during retrospectives or when starting a similar project. A couple of quick best practices as you wrap up. Keep the tone of your update factual and appreciative. Call out major milestones or learnings, and point to where any ongoing work will continue if applicable. Remember, the goal is to make it effortless for anyone scanning the project to understand what was achieved and where to find final materials. That's it. Your project is now completed in Asana, with a clear, shareable update attached. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to follow along while you complete your own project.